Drivers are following the move-over law. That's according to tow truck drivers who knew the victim. As Northern Virginia Bureau Chief Julie Carey reports now, they hope a lawsuit just filed by the victim's son might change that.
He's just 19, still dealing with the death of his dad, but Joshua Sylvia Naji says he's determined to get drivers to pay attention, to change their habits.
I want to make sure that the situation raises awareness for the move-over law, so no one else's brother, father, son, uncle, friend is unnecessarily killed due to tragic negligence.
With the help of high-profile attorney Gloria Allred, Joshua just filed a $20 million wrongful death lawsuit against Baltimore's Green Line Moving Company. One of its box truck drivers ran off the Beltway on December 29th as Joshua's dad, AJ, was getting ready to tow a vehicle. He was struck and killed. The lawsuit claims Green Line was negligent for hiring someone with a bad driving record. On top of failing to follow the move-over law, it alleges the driver was using his cell phone and operating a truck with defective brakes.
You know, just like police officers, we all want to go home at night.
That's Michael Yeoman. On his Fairfax towing truck, he displays this sticker that reads, "In loving memory of AJ," and the plea, "Move over." But Yeoman says in spite of the publicity surrounding Naji's death and the two troopers who were recently struck, nothing has changed out there.
Here we are, we're still living with it, and people still playing the same thing, doing the same exact thing.
I did talk to a manager at Green Line Moving, but they say they're unaware of this lawsuit, so they can't comment on it. He did say once they found out about the box truck driver's traffic violations that were committed in a personal vehicle, they let him go. He still faces a reckless driving charge in connection with the fatal accident. In Fairfax, I'm Julie Carey, News 4.